Hello. This is the tour of the house from the bedroom starting. So here is corner. We keep the dresser here, and then here's the walking space. There's a mirror on the door, the ceiling, and then here is more area to walk. This is where Baby and Lovely sleep. This is the bed. And then here is the air conditioner, and you see I clip the air conditioner, the curtain, to the window, so the air conditioner the air will come out, and then without going behind the curtains, and then it'll reduce the sunlight. And then outside, I don't know if you can see, is a school right across the street, a high school. And then a busy street downstairs. You see people walking now. It's almost midnight. Okay. And then we have the living room, the TV here, and then it's high ceiling. Comes with two lights, one here, or three lights, and another one behind that door. And then there's Baby and Lovely. And then here is Leslie's brother is staying with us for the weekend. He's going to California on Sunday. So his stuff is here. And here's a futon we bought for $80. Good deal. It was used. That's me. And across is our neighbors. You can see here, very close. And here's the second air conditioner we bought. You see it's very noisy too, but it's very powerful, so it's okay. And then here we have some random shelf that came with the house. And then here we have the kitchen. And the microwave, and the stove, and the oven. And then here we're going to we bought a dining table, it's coming in the mail, so we're going to put it here. And then we're going to buy a kitchen island, what it's called. The kitchen island has wooden chopboard, and then some drawers, because we need more drawers. See, we only have one. That's it, one drawer. And then this one is occupied by dog food. And then this one, you know, has nothing. It's just under the sink. That's where we put our pans now. It's no good. And then here we have to put food here, I guess. And here is our dishes. And then we have another one of those. And then that's Baby and Lovely. And then another light here. And then more storage. We put our coats and our shoes here. And then up top, our luggage. And then our bathroom. Bathroom is, you know, it's okay. I have no complaints. Small sink. We hang the towels here. And then this is the kitchen, this bathroom. And then we have some gross stuff here that we have to fix. I don't know if you can see. It's deteriorating. So we'll fix that. Okay, that's it. That's the tour. Okay. Say bye. Say bye. Lovely. Baby.